Familia Verde, Lumbia, Cagayan de Oro City. Affordable modern two-story townhouse in a gated subdivision designed with a modern Asia style. Floor area is 42 square meter. Lot area is 36 square meter with toilet and bath. Living area and dining area and kitchen area. Amenities: multi-purpose hall, basketball court, children's playground, guarded gate, and landscape surrounding. Pajeron Road, Barangay Lumbia, Cagayan de Oro, about 3.4 km from Masturbation Avenue, Uptown Cagayan de Oro City. Accessible to malls, Gaisano, Lumbia, markets, school, churches, and so on to Rice City Hospital. Why choose Familia Verde? Affordable but stylish homes for young professionals and starting families. Safe, family-friendly, and well-planned community. Convenience uptown location with easy access to school, hospitals, malls, and transport. This Albert, the accredited PRC license. Please follow and share. Thank you.